discuss the most common crystal structure of metals. There are three types of crystal structure: body center cubic crystal structure, face center cubic crystal structure, and hexagonal closed break. The first one is body center cubic crystal structure. In a body center cubic crystal structure, 8 atoms at the 8th corner of the cube, and 1 atom at the center of the cube is called as a body center cubic crystal structure. Number of effective atoms per unit cell. Then it is clear that 1/8 of each corner atom lies inside the unit cell, as each corner atom is at the apex of 8 neighboring unit cell. Thus, 1/8 of each corner atom is called the effective share of unit cell. As there are 8 corners of the atoms, as there are 8 corners of the cube, and the atom of the body center belongs entirely the cell, the total effective atoms per unit cell is equal to Nc plus Nb. 1/8 multiplied by 8 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, where the number of effective atoms in a body center cubic crystal structure is 2, where Nc is the number of effective atoms due to the corner atoms and Nb is due to the body center atom. Then we will discuss the coordination number of Z. Coordination number is defined as the number of nearest neighbors to a given atom in a crystal structure. In BCC, each center atom touches all the 8 corners of atoms. BCC crystal structure, each center atom is connect the 8 corners of the atoms. Thus, the coordination number of BCC crystal structure is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Atomic packing factor of BCC. Atomic packing factor means it is a fraction of the volume occupied by the atoms in a crystal structure. Thus, the atomic packing factor is equal to volume of effective atoms per unit cell divided by volume of unit cell of BCC. As there are two effective atoms of unit cell, where R is equal to radius of atoms in BCC unit cell, A is equal to Lattice parameter. Then the volume of atom is equal to 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. Volume of atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell is equal to a cube. And from equation R is equal to root over 3 by 4a. R is equal to root over 3 by 4a. This is the equation. A square plus root over 2a square is equal to 4a square. A square plus root over 2a square is equal to 2a square. 4a square is equal to 16a square. A square plus 2a square is equal to 3a square is equal to 16r square. 3a square is equal divided by 16 is equal to r square, where r is equal to root over 3 divided by 4a. And from equation R is equal to root over 3 divided by 4a. Thus, atomic packing factor is equal to 2 multiplied by volume of one atom divided by volume of unit cell is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 3a cube is multiplied by a root over 3 divided by 4 square is equal to 0.68. 0.68 is the atomic packing factor of BCC crystal structure. 0.68 is the atomic packing factor of BCC crystal structure. The 68% of atomic volume of BCC crystal is occupied and the rest is void. This is the atomic packing factor of BCC crystal structure.